Hi, my name is Daniel Bui. I work for a solar system. I've been working in the solar industry for about 11 years now. And my experience with quick screws, quick bolt is a good one because when they created the hooks for the towel applications, it's a big time game changer, right? I mean, if you're not dealing with broken towel and the towels are strong, it's almost as fast as installing on composition. I don't really have any issues with the product. I think the ones that they made for the Stone Cold Metal towel was innovative, and yeah, the hooks are great.
What do you think is your favorite part of the QuickBOLT products?
My favorite part is they are sleek. You know, you don't have to do much grinding with the tile. They've actually, it's a great product in terms of, fastening install times for sure, right? Making installs a lot faster than what they usually were, because I've been in the industry for about 11 years now, so I've seen it all mostly. And a lot of those early years was no fun, grinding those towels and landing those posts and installing those flashings, 4 or 5 different parts to one mount versus 2 screws into the rafter these days, right? And then just laying the towel on there. And if you have to grind the tile a little bit, then that works too. But overall, it's a great product. I would highly recommend it to every installers out there all across the nation. But now with the quick screws, you just locate the rafter, pull up the tile, apply sealant, hit the screws, put the towel back on, and 9.5 out of 10 times you don't even have to grind the towel anymore. And that was a pain, obviously. But now it's a great. It's just like I said, if you're dealing with like a flat towel roof and you got flat hooks, that is almost as fast as comp mounts. Almost as fast. So install times are way faster these days by tenfold. It's a great ordering process. Go online, click what you need, the pictures and the pictures and tiles kind of help you visualize what you need, and then just hit the quantity and then order it. And if there's any issues, just call direct.